What's up, everybody? Well, I hope to get this video out in time. I'm trying to. Had this idea to make this video real quick. Memorial Day video. Or let's just say Memorial Weekend. Memorial Day, whatever. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I think most of the population has forgotten the real reason why we have Memorial Day. You know, most people see it as, yeah, I get 3 days off of work, hell yeah, you know, barbecue, get the boat, the jet skis, go to the lake, you know, have people over, and have a, you know, a weekend with your friends. And I'm not gonna exclude myself. I'm guilty of it too. You know, I work the night shift, so I get off Friday and Saturday nights, but it still honestly only feels like I get one day off. You know, I get home from work Friday morning, and if I happen to stay awake all day, you know, I go to sleep early Friday night. And then I stay awake all day long Saturday and Saturday night, sleep all day long Sunday, go back to work Sunday night. You know, it doesn't feel like I get a day off, or at least 2 days off. It feels like I only get one. So yeah, having a 3-day weekend is kind of nice, you know. Last night was Friday night, went out riding with all my friends, hit the races up. Didn't get to race very much. Tonight we got some plans. Tomorrow I got a lot of shit I got to get done around the house. Some yard work. I changed the oil in my truck. You know, but hey, I mean, really. Anyways, back to the whole fucking point. Here I am fucking going off on shit. Anyways, you know, the whole point of Memorial Day is remembering. You know, remembering why we have this freedom to have a 3-day weekend. You know, and that remembering is, you know, the people we've lost in battles and wars. That's why we have this, hell, that's why we have any fucking holiday, really. You know, hell, we could be speaking a different language if we lost some wars, or, you know, shit like that. I mean, I don't think so, but still, you know, it's one of those common things that's said. But regardless, you know, I mean, the reason why we have our freedoms, well, what freedoms we have left, so many get taken away, because pussies and liberals and all that other bullshit, but that's a different discussion. It's because the services. And, you know, that's what this weekend is all about. That's what Monday's all about. Remembering those people that have lost their lives, trying to protect us and making sure we keep our freedoms. But, you know, this is gonna be a quick video real quick. Let's just want to remind everybody, you know, why we have this weekend, and remind everybody to stay safe. I know everybody's going to be out riding, having a good time, drinking, barbecuing. So everybody remember what this weekend's all about. Remember to be safe. Don't go to jail. Don't do meth. It's all bad stuff. Woo, scrapey, scrapey. Spank your kids. They need it. Spank your woman. She needs it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyways, y'all have a good Memorial weekend. I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.